How to fix my iPhone won't turn on or charge or black screen problem. So if you want to fix my iPhone won't turn on or won't charge problem, now even if your phone looks completely dead, start by plugging your iPhone into a charger. Even if nothing shows up on the screen, leave it charging for at least 30 minutes. Don't skip this step. Sometimes the battery just needs a slow wake up. After 30 minutes, unplug the charger and try this first method, which is you need to press and hold the volume up button and power button together for 10 seconds. And you'll get this kind of interface, right? But if this method doesn't work, then you can quickly press and release your volume up button and then down button and finally the power button. And after that, slide to power off. After turning it off, you can again turn it on and your problem might be fixed. So often it's caused by a system crash, especially if you've been using unofficial or non-certified charging accessories. The button combo forces a hard reboot, which can revive your iPhone without any data loss. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.